Hi there, students. Synergy. Okay, synergy is a word they use a lot in business. Synergy is two or more things working together to give greater benefits than the simple sum of the two. So you put two things together and you get all the normal benefits from those two things, but you also get extra benefits from them being together. Imagine a detached house or two detached houses, and you need to heat both of these houses. Well, you use a certain amount of energy to heat each of the houses. But if the two houses are together next to each other, then you get synergy. Because some of the heating loss that comes from this house goes into this house, and some of the heating loss from this house comes into this house. And as a result, both of the houses use less energy to keep or maintain the same temperature. Well, in business, they're always looking for synergy by combining groups, by combining people or objects or processes. Okay, so if they put two things together, then they get extra benefits. They also use this word in pharmacology. This is where the combined action of two different medicines is greater than the action of each individual medicine. Companies are always looking for synergism, notice synergism, or synergy as well, in mergers between two companies. So if two companies join together, then they probably will get synergy. It depends if there is overlap or not. Overlap. Yeah. But synergy, maybe they can gain extra benefits by being one company. Okay, this word synergy, it comes from the Greek synergia, okay, which means cooperation. Sun, together, with, and ergon, to work. So, synergy, working together. Yeah? There are many jobs, and I'm sure you know this, that if two people are working together, they can produce much more than two people working individually. It's not always the case, but it often is the case. So, synergy, this is a business word. Yeah? This is to use in a business context, in a meeting or something like that. I don't think synergy is a word I would use in the pub. Yeah? Extra benefit from putting two things together. Yeah? Use this in a business context. I would say semi-formal or formal, but in business, in a business conversation, it's a brilliant word. So, synergy is a noun. Two or more things that work together, and the effect is, or the benefits are greater than just the sum of the benefits of the two things. So, you get a bit extra by putting the two things together. Synergy. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Synergy.